Good night, partners and teacher. My name is William Arias. I belong to the Logistic Administration program, and this is my presentation of Module 2 activity. The activity name is What Would Have Happened If? The first question is, what did it happen? Years ago, I had two opportunities to study system engineering, thanks to my father's offering to pay for my studies. So I entered the Pilot University of Colombia in the Girardot city, and there I studied 2 semesters, obtaining good grades. What was the matter? When I finished studying the 2nd semester and was preparing to start the 3rd semester, my father had problems with his business and entered into a difficult economic situation, which did not allow him to raise the money to pay the tuition. Unable to continue my studies, I decided to return to Bogota city to look for a job and to continue studying. But my girlfriend was pregnant. What do you regret? I do not regret my children, because they are the greatest joy that God was given me. But perhaps I regret not having planned things better to have been able to complete my studies in system engineering, since it is my passion, and of having achieved it, maybe I could be in better position that will allow me to help my parents and me and my siblings and offer better quality of life to my children and my family. Good, thanks and good night.